Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to subtract in Excel. So let's get into the video. At first, you can see there are some names, marks, and obtained marks in the sheet. So we would find out the result. So we'll put a formula of subtraction, which is equals to and then select your first cell and give a subtraction sign, which is minus, and click on the second cell that you want to be subtracted and click on enter. Here you can see the subtraction result is here, appeared here. So just simply drag and down and you will get the result accordingly. So this is how you can find out the subtraction in Excel. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.